Hey there, it's Miriam of All Trades. In this video, we're going to navigate sections and learn how to edit them on Wix website. Now here I have my Wix editor. As you can see, a Wix website or a Wix web page has many sections that are dedicated to different content. So here, for example, I have the page that's called About, and most of my sections are about. For example, here, all you have to do to see a section is click on it, and then you get this sort of purple, bluish a frame around the section, and then you have the section name right here. So here, I'm going to show you how to add your section. You can add it by just selecting any section that you have on your page and then click on the add section. Or you can go to your left-handed panel here and then click on this second element and then click on add section. Now, once you do that, you get this dialog page where Wix will suggest types of sections to your Wix website. So here we have different types of sections. We have a welcome, about, contact, services, subscribe, so many sections. Now do not forget that these are all totally customizable. You can change the image, the background, the title, the buttons, whatever you want, or you can just add a blank section and then add your elements to it. Now here in my case, I'm just gonna pick any type of section. So I'm just going to pick a basic welcome section. Now here is my welcome section, and in order to edit it a little bit, you just have to click on it like I told you. Here you get the section welcome, and then you get this sort of as you can see, it's parentheses and a T inside that says rename section, and here you could rename sections, which makes it easier to manage them if you have many sections on the same page. And then you have to click on it, and then you get this mini taskbar right here. You have this arrow where you can move your section up or down. So for example, here I just click on it and it went down, and then you can click move section up. And then here we have the quick edit. Now for the quick edit is especially useful because it shows you all the elements that are on your section. So here, for example, we have the section background, the title, the paragraphs, so all of the elements that exist on your section. And then here you have a layout. Sometimes layouts are available, so here you can choose a new layout, or sometimes they are not available. And then once you do that, you also have these section layers. So here you see all the types of all your elements and which layer they are in. So here you have the container box and the welcome visitor, etc. So here we have the welcome, and then here you have the start now. So for the layers, this is the front layer and this is the very back one. So here it goes from the bottom to the top when we come to the order of your layers. And then here again you have explore section layout, and here you have some more actions like adding, deleting your section, duplicating it, copying, cutting, detaching images, etc. And this is basically how you can manage your sections and navigate them on your Wix website. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.